Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joy and today we are going to be discussing about okra. Okra, also known as lady's finger or gumbo, is a nutritious vegetable that offers a variety of health benefits. Here are some well-explained health benefits of consuming okra. 1. Rich in nutrients. Okra is a good source of essential nutrients including vitamin C, K, folate, potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting various bodily functions such as immune function, blood clotting and bone health. 2. High in fiber. Okra is a rich source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movement, preventing constipation and supporting overall gut health. 3. Heart health. The soluble fiber in okra helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol and preventing its absorption in the intestines. This can contribute to reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases and improved heart health. 4. Blood sugar control. The fiber in okra also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 5. Antioxidant properties. Okra is rich in antioxidants including vitamin C and polyphenols. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some compounds found in okra, such as quercetin and rutin, have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases. 7. Weight management. The high fiber content in okra can contribute to a feeling of fullness and satiety. This may help in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. 8. Supports digestive health. In addition to its fiber content, okra contains mucilage, a substance with a slimy texture that can soothe and lubricate the digestive tract. This may be beneficial for individuals with digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome. 9. Bone health. Okra contains vitamin C, which is important for bone health as it helps in proper blood clotting and bone mineralization. Adequate vitamin K intake is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 10. Vision protection. Okra is a good source of vitamin A and other antioxidants that contribute to eye health. These nutrients may help protect against age-related macular degeneration and maintain overall vision. It's important to note that while okra offers these health benefits, individual responses to foods can vary. It is advisable to include a variety of vegetables in your diet to ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake. As with any dietary changes or concerns, it's recommended to consult the healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. See you in the next video.